everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today we are going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go and get right into this. So I did get this for my son, but all my kids are begging to play with this, so we're probably going to do these science experiments as a family. It comes with 60 plus science kits. It is by STEM. It's a 30-piece up set, and let me go ahead and show you everything that comes in here. So it has this right here, which will show you 60 different 60 plus different little science experiences that you can do with your kids. It comes with balloons and gloves and everything pretty much that you'll need to do some science experience with your kids, and it has like step-by-step instructions on everything that you'll need, what it comes with, and how to do the different science experience. Let's go ahead and do the first one, which is the volcano, since it's in here. It also has like some dinosaur digs where you can dig up a dinosaur egg. It has some like safety glasses, just a bunch of different little science experiment things. It has Skittles, but they're not for eating. It's just for the science experience. It says do not eat. So make sure that you are around your kids when they're using this. Crystal growing power, baking soda for your volcano, citrus acid. Has some different dyes for the different experiments that you're going to do. Some little containers, funnels, more dye, some cups, just a bunch of different stuff. But let's go ahead and do some science experiments with the kids. I need you to go put water to right here. Yep, perfect. So it's at 10 milliliters. So it says, take 3 spoons of each baking soda and citrus acid. So 3 spoons. So let's go ahead and find our spoons in here. So this is our spoons. And we're going to do 3 spoons of citric acid and baking soda. So grab 3 spoons and put it in the middle of the volcano.
3 spoons?
Yeah.
Oh, that was a good progress.
Okay. 1.
I see a hand of some sort, or a tail or something.
2.
3.
Okay, now we're going to do 3 spoons of citric acid now.
This is acid?
Yep, it's citric acid is what it says. So 3 spoons of that.
3.
Okay.
2.
And then you gotta add like red coloring.
3.
Okay.
There's 3.
Okay, now mix it up with this end of the thing. Mix it all up. So we need 3 drops of red dye.
Can I do 3?
Okay, hold on. It's just going to drop out. You don't have to squeeze it. Just put it, nope, in here. 1. Okay, squeeze it slightly. 1, 2. Okay, do 1 more. Okay, 3 drops. Now mix it up.
What'd you get?
I don't know.
Pour it. It says, pour the red water into volcano mode. Please keep your hands away from the volcano mode.
It's
Okay.
all over.
Okay, now pour it in there.
All right.
Oh,
Wow!
that's a volcano. Isn't that cool?
Now let's do another.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.